She comes in now. The All-In. They come out from the barriers and taking a fly jump, Supreme Success after losing ground. And as they settle down to race to the Kiss of Fire plate, and two horses are vying for supremacy, but the finalist Caesar Melody getting the better of Paladin, running third on the fence, Trusted Friend, being joined on the far side by Oriental Speed, just about a length and a half for the behind Charge Away, being displaced on the outside by Supreme Success, is now closing in the gap. Field of 6 now approaching 600 meters mark, and Caesar Melody just in front by a length and a quarter ahead of Oriental Speed, neck behind on the inside Trusted Friend. Then we got on the fence, Paladin has fallen back considerably. Supreme Success making a forward move, traveling fifth on the outside, and the back marker Charge Away. They now come off the band, got about 300 out in this race, and Oriental Speed now being joined and passed on the outside by Supreme Success. Supreme Success, the lone grey in the field of 6, now well clear of Caesar Melody. Oriental Speed is now struggling upon the outside, but racing inside the final 50 meter. Supreme Success by about length of Trusted Friend upon the outside. Supreme Success holding on from Trusted Friend. Caesar Melody followed by Oriental Speed, Paladin and Charge Away.